everyone, and welcome all to Jodah Interior Design. This is a place where we explore creative ways to make your home beautiful and inviting. Today we are diving into living room decorations, setup, and how to blend different colors to create a harmonious and stylish environment. I am super excited to share some fantastic tips and ideas with you. Let's get started. The living room is often the heart of the home, a place where we gather with family and friends. We relax after a long day and showcase our personal style. One of the key elements in designing a welcoming living room is choosing and blending colors effectively. Here are some steps and tips to help you achieve a stunning look. When decorating and setting up, think about the color wheel. Complementary colors which are opposite each other in the wheel create a vibrant look. Analogous colors which are next to each other offer a serene and cohesive feel. Triadic colors evenly spaced around the wheel bring a balanced yet lively atmosphere. For example, blue and orange are complementary and create a dynamic contrast, while blue, green, and teal are analogous and create a calming effect. Using a triadic scheme like blue, red, and yellow can add energy and variety to your living room. Next, choose a color palette that reflects your style and the mood you want to set. A popular approach is the 60-30-10 rule. This means 60% of the room should be a dominant color, 30% a secondary color, and 10% an accent color. In this living room, the dominant color is a soft gray, covering the walls and large furniture pieces like the sofa. The secondary color, a rich navy blue, is featured in the area rug and curtains. Finally, the accent color, a bright yellow, pops in the throw pillows and decorative accessories. Don't be afraid to mix patterns and textures to add depth and interest. For example, you can have a patterned rug, textured cushions, and a mix of different fabrics finishes like velvet, linen, and leather. The key here is to ensure the colors within these patterns and textures complement your overall color scheme. Balancing light and dark tones is crucial for a well-rounded look. Light colors can make a space feel larger and more open, while dark colors add coziness and depth. In this example, the light gray walls and white ceiling make the room feel spacious, while the dark wood coffee table and navy blue sofa add warmth and contrast. This balance creates a dynamic yet comfortable environment. Think of also adding finishing touches to pull everything together. Think about artwork, plants, flowers, and personal items that reflect your personality. These elements should incorporate your accent color to create a cohesive look. Here, the yellow accent in the throw pillows are echoed in the artwork on the walls and a couple of decorative vases. A few green plants add a natural touch, bringing life and color into the room. Now let's focus on using bold colors like red or maroon in your living room. These colors can make a dramatic statement and add warmth and sophistication. The key here is to balance them with neutral tones and complementary colors. The gold accents in the throw pillows are echoed in the artwork on the walls and a couple of decorative vases. A few green plants add a natural touch, bringing life and color into the room. And there you have it, guys, a beautiful decorated living room with a thoughtfully blended color palette. Remember, the key is to understand color theory. Choose a harmonious palette. Mix patterns and textures. Balance light and dark tones, and add personal finishing touches. Thank you so much for joining us on Designing Your Space. I hope these tips and ideas inspire you to create a living room that's both stylish and comfortable. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Let's also interact on the comment section and I'll try my best to respond back. Cheers, guys, and see you in the next time. God bless you all.